Today's recipe is tuna stew. Here you go. It's a canned tuna. Just dice this way. Put it this. Lined with this my onion. Also slice this. Smells very refreshing. Okay, here. Add gochujang 2 tablespoons and gochugaru hot pepper flakes 2 tablespoons. And soy sauce 1 tablespoon. And then add water. Let's add 1 cup. Half a cup more. All these ingredients are submerged. And close the lid over medium-high heat. And I will cook 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, and I'm going to add more green onion and garlic and green chili pepper. 4 large garlic cloves. I minced 4 garlic cloves and green onions. Chop 2 green onions. Green chili pepper. Just mix together. I will make ssamjang. This is apple ssamjang. You guys made my apple ssamjang. That's so delicious. I'm going to use apple because this is apple ssamjang, and I invented this recipe. And when I invented the recipe that year, this is my first cookbook recipe, and I was so happy. All summer until fall, I always make this ssamjang, apple ssamjang. Ssamjang is mixture of fermented soybean paste, hot pepper paste, and garlic, onion, and sesame oil, and the mixture. And usually we add sugar here so to make it a little sweet. But I used apple. Okay, this one I like to cut into tiny pieces, like this. Already 10 minutes passed. Okay, I'm going to add all this stuff. And garlic, green onion, and more green chili pepper. I like to thicken this stew, so I'm going to cook a little longer, or 3 to 5 minutes. Here, I added Korean bean paste, hot pepper paste, green onion, and garlic, and then apple. 1 gala apple, small size. And then sesame oil. Around 1 tablespoon. And sesame seeds. I already posted this recipe, apple ssamjang. Check out this exact ratio on my website. Wow, nice. So delicious smell from this. Can't believe this is from the canned tuna. Okay, just I cooked this 3 more minutes. I think that's enough because sometimes we need to eat this little stew. Okay, turn off These are my side dishes for this. And this is lettuce. So I made like a kind of a vegetable basket. Exciting! Rice. Okay. My rice. Very freshly made kimchi. And I will show you how to eat it. Okay. Open sesame. The lettuce, I add 2. And rice. Just a little rice. This is tuna. And this is apple ssamjang. And then wrap. Very, very delicious. Today we made spicy tuna stew, 참치찌개. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.